Hey guys, coming along with me and Dee Dee and Mimi. We're going down to Plains, Georgia, the home of Jimmy Carter, and just look around, passing some farmers' fields right now and the Plains International Airport. All right, come on. Driving into Plains right now. Some pretty old homes. Population is a little over 700, not very high. This is the old Plains High School. It's a National Historic Site where Jimmy Carter went to school. It's all closed now, of course, COVID, but we stopped and get some pictures, a little video. All right. We're at Jimmy Carter's home church in Plains, Georgia. They don't want you getting their pecans here. Notice I said pecans. This is Maranatha Baptist Church. And there's the little church where he does Sunday school. And there's Debbie and Mimi waiting on me. Come on, Apple, let's go. We're downtown Plains, the home of Jimmy Carter, 39th president. Just a little view of the some of the storefronts over there. Of course, ain't much open today on a Sunday during this time of year. Just a view down the street. Sign to the visitor center we just left. And we're gonna do some more riding around. I'll get some more pictures. A lot of agriculture down here. Peanuts and cotton. An old tow truck. At the Carter service station. Phillips 66. Of course, it's closed. We might have one of them Coca-Colas, but I bet it ain't working. So I'm gonna go check and see.
Huh?
Like for they got barbecue thing back there. Like they probably have lines for people to come in here.
Yeah, I guess when it was a hot commodity. Wait.
1972 Milton and sold the station to Billy Carter.
It's closed up today. We can't get in and see it.
No. I sure wish this Coke machine was working now.
Maybe it is. You want to get something cold to drink?
You got a nickel?
Hmm?
You got a nickel?
No.
It's running.
Drink Coca-Cola.
Somebody done run it all out.
Yeah, we'll have to go somewhere else.
This is coming up on Jimmy Carter's home. You see back behind the fence all the Secret Service cars back there. Compound there. There's the guard shack. Big lake out there. Probably another residence back there in the back. We're at a little park over here by Jimmy Carter's presidential campaign headquarters when he was running, and this is where the Sam Short line gets off. It's a little train that runs from Cordell down here. We haven't done it. It's on the bucket list to do, but maybe one day when things are better. This is looking down toward the train depot. Zoom in a little bit. It says Plains, Georgia. That's where the old one come through. Well, this is a little platform they have for actually getting off the Sam Short line. Alright, well thanks for watching. This is inside the train depot. There's no one here, but I guess I just have an exhibit open all the time. It's gonna take you around, playing some old silly music. This was actually the first election I remember. I was probably 6th grade, and they had us do a vote in school. And of course, I was in Alabama at the time, in Birmingham, or outside of Birmingham, but of course, being from Georgia, of course, I voted for Jimmy. Check this TV out. Looks like they've actually got a flat screen within that TV. A lot of stuff about the family and where they came from and everything. All the campaign buttons. That's really cool. All right, well that's a little tour of the train depot. I think they're serious. Don't block the post office box.
Downtown Plains. Apple's got a little hot spot on his hiney, you see it? In the America's newspaper. Plains Inn and Antique Mall. And reservations. Also called Butterfly. Alright, we'll go down through here. It's some cool lights. Kinda cool. They still got Christmas stuff. Seal of the President. Not much going on in Plains on Sunday. They done rolled up the sidewalks and went to the house. Hey, next door.
You're going to visit.
Old Coach. Yeah, don't visit Plains on Sunday. In January. Buffalo Cafe and the old bank building. Cool little walkway. Plains Trade. We're doing our part to flatten the curve. That's why nobody's down here. Stay at home. Huh? No, JJ's got his mask on in case we run into anybody. Billy Salter's plain
good right now.
some peanut butter.
Oh, they're open.
They're open. Get you something. Plains peanut. Alright, that's about it for the walk of the strip. And we got a good little walk in. We got
Plains peanut and grain.
old Mimi's riding with us today. She sat down there in the car waiting on us. This is what it looks like. Plains, Georgia. Hey, good, how are you? Why? Hmm?
Yeah, this is the college books we never find them. Yeah, the days of winter.
I don't know.
probably where Jimmy voted at one time or another. I imagine he did an absentee this year, but this little vote precinct here in Plains, Georgia.
There's Paula Dean.
That's okay. You want your next cup?
Determined she was not coming. She $22.50 is your total.
Some crackers or something?
No, I got her some.
Okay.
Headed out to the Jimmy Carter Boyhood home and farm. You see some of the farm buildings on the left as we're pulling up. All right, we're headed into the Jimmy Carter Boyhood farm. It smells like a farm. Not kidding. The signs going in. And Appa's starting to growl because there's some goats out there. Jimmy Carter, age 10, on his pony. There's the outhouse, Appa. Let's go see the chickens.
We got checked out.
Kate, what's in there? Chickens. There's a view from the back of the house out toward the woods and the pecan grove. There's one of the caretakers here playing with the goats. The old John Deere, not old John Deere, the John Deere way out there in the distance. Not something you see every day, a clay tennis court. Here comes Dee Dee out of the Carter Boyhood Farm. Appa, there's your mama. He's like, where's she been? Headed into Jimmy Carter's Boyhood Farm home. Screen door, of course. Old pump thing to get your water. Basins. Earl and Lillian Carter home. Second owner is 1928. Little side porch over here. Somebody did the iron. There's an old-timey telephone. Got biscuits on the stove. Some eggs and bacon. Little bedroom. Little lumpy bed. And this was Jimmy's bedroom. Okay, cool. Library. This bathroom. Bathroom. Simple toilet, simple shower. Probably at one time you just dump a bucket on your head. There's the dining room. The buffet table over there. Like a traditional Sunday supper. Miss Lillian cooked up. Fried chicken. Old sewing machine. This was Earl and Lillian's bedroom. Oh, there's never more good in the hot summers. Slot jar down there. Fireplace stand warm. going into the front room. Front room looks up toward the highway. Here's the living room. More libraries. Old hat. Fireplace. Old radio. Old piano player. Gloria and Ruth's bedroom. Jimmy's two sisters shared a room. Another fireplace and a hutch. Magazines. This is walking out on the front porch, train porch. I sit out here many a time and talk, watch cars roll by. Alright, well thank you for joining the tour. Looks like you used to be an old gas station next door. Man. Happy, you see the goats? Let me show you what he's looking at. He's looking at the chickens. This is a little store next to Jimmy Carter's Boyhood home. There's your guess with lead in it. Walk through the front door and see what we see in here. Alright. Car store. Got the prices and everything. RC Cola, some octagons.
We had a store, what we call a commissary on the farm, which was quite common in rural communities because they provided the basic necessities that had to be bought by the workers and by our family as well. What happened usually was that the purchases were on credit.
They got a narrator going on.
Payments for the different items were made on payday, or sometimes
About how they used to run things on credit until people would get paid.
Stores were convenient for three reasons. One,
Sharecropper's house.
Little grumpy bed in there.
Man. If you live in the South, you know what that is.
There's some of their names. Tyler
Okay. Rachel Clark.
Supervisor.
Wow.
Don't grab cast iron.
Telling me, Steve, about that.
This was a pamphlet they had at the terminal, I think, at the train depot station. I picked up, thought I'd just run the camera over a couple things, Jimmy's life and politics. Good man. Thanks for joining us on this trip. At the end of this are some pictures that we took as we went along. Thanks for watching again. Oh, one more thing I wanted to bring up was Jimmy's work with Habitat for Humanity. I guess it was really his organization. It's headquartered in Americus, which is just up the road in the same county, Sumter County. And we've been there before and didn't have it filmed, took the kids there. So maybe when COVID is out of here, hopefully soon, we can go over there and give you a video tour of the Habitat for Humanity headquarters. And they have a Habitat for Humanity village, which is a replica of a lot of third world homes in different parts of the world, different continents. sad and eye-opening at the same time, but he did a lot of good work. But all right, thanks for watching again. All right, bye. Ironically, when we got through visiting Plains Jimmy's home, we decided to go down to Albany, my hometown, and get a Jimmy's hot dog. Found out it was closed when we got there, but I think we know why now. It's sad. Thanks for watching, guys.